that full? That's a piss. That's not very good.
That's
What are you doing? Piss on the
not that great.
It pissed all over the place, but it didn't work very well. All right, we got to clean that cam plate. We need to reuse that thing.
Okay. I got solvent over there.
How come you don't have all this covered with towels and tampons and all that stuff you said in the video you're supposed to have?
Well, I mean, we can do that. I got fresh clean ones.
I got some fresh clean ones too. Oops. Clean it.
Should I put this in solvent?
I would wipe it off first. You got hazmat over here? Is this California?
No, this ain't California. We don't care about that shit.
Oh, okay. We're flying then.
It's dirty. Doesn't matter, right?
Which bucket has which in it?
Huh?
Oh, that's an EPA approved bucket too, right? Look at that. That's the way you do stuff around the garage.
That's EPA approved bucket.
That is high-tech design. Now, if you bring that whole bucket over here, we could save a lot of time. Because we have some more stuff we got to clean up.
This is the good stuff.
Here's a rag we're going
Another
to
thing
use.
that you turned me on to.
There's your clean rag.
Stoddard solvent.
Stoddard what?
Stoddard.
Is that what that is?
Stoddard
Where'd you get that from? What's standing on down here?
I got clean too.
That is clean. Okay, let's go. What are you waiting for? Clean yet? I'm supposed to blow it off, but oh well. Okay, all this stuff needs to be clean. See this here? That's oily. Where's your oil rag? Do you have a different oily rag to use? Here. Here's your new rag. You're wasting time over there. We're trying to do some cleaning. This is why I don't show cleaning in my videos. It takes forever. We're out of there. That's enough. Okay, wipe it off. That way you don't destroy your solvent. So not that. Wipe that off. Did you notice all the dirt on it? It just came from that dirt pile over there. Okay, now you can throw it in the bucket over there. You can just dump it in the bucket and let it sit. Here. We'll be in there again. We got more. Just let it sit there for a
Oh,
while.
there's a lot of crap in the bottom.
Why do you got crap in the bottom of your bucket? That's not a clean bucket?
No.
What is this?
Listen, this has been through a build already.
Well, we're building, yeah, but this is only a twin cam. It's not a Chevrolet, so it doesn't matter. Okay, all of these parts here that we might reuse, that's not one of them. We have to clean this up, investigate, make sure it's still good. So all of these are here. This is going to be our new oily rag, or is this our clean rag? Looks like it's oily rag now. So this is all part of cleaning that we never show because it's labor intensive and nobody cares. What kind of solvent was that?
Stoddard.
How do you spell that? Where'd you buy it from? Who sells that? Home Depot?
No, you know.
Home Depot doesn't have it? In Vegas?
This is a specialty application store.
Special application store. So that's like Lowe's then, right?
Sahara and the 15. Get the name of that place.
Oh, okay. So you have to look up, you have to go and Google it. Stoddard solvent. That'd be with an S and a T. And maybe a D. Got a lot of screws here and they're all full of oil because somebody put them in an oil bucket. So all of this has to be cleaned, blown dried, cleaned again, blow dried again. We got to listen to that pump come on about 100 times.
The news is, Tatro, I bought you bucket.
You bought me earplugs? There you go. Okay, get all these cleaned up. Don't do that yet. Clean all these up. Oh, you bought one of my fancy buckets. Where'd you buy that from?
Goodson?
Goodson's.
Yeah.
Goodson Supply.
We remember that.
That's a good name. Okay, we got all our good stuff that we need. Okay, I think we got everything we're going to not reuse. Okay, so this is going to be our junk pile. This is going to be our good pile. Now we could use this pump because it's still good, but we got a new pump that's still ready. Okay, so we're gonna douche this off with the rag here like this. See how you do that? Yeah, that's my clean rag now. Don't get my clean rag dirty. You're mixing up my rags. That's the real dirty rag, but see, I couldn't use it. I made a new dirty rag. This is a new dirty rag here. Okay, see how you did that? Okay, where's your bucket? Right there. Okay, that's too big. Okay, pick all this up. No, you pick up the whole rag, and you pour it in there. There you go. Look at, oh, look at that. He's almost like he's done that before. Where'd you feel that at? Okay, you stick it in your bucket and slosh it around a little bit, like that. Okay, what happens when you put that in there? Oh, it drains. Look at that. Look how it drains. Look at that. Now that's vintage solvent. Let's see how vintage that is. That has an oily consistency in it. That is old solvent.
It's dirty.
It still cleans though, kind of. But leaves an oil trace.
You touch the bottom, there's a, you know, there's a layer.
There's a layer of slime in the bottom? Oh,
There's a
okay.
layer of grease and grit.
Okay, well after you clean with this dirty stuff, you probably should put clean stuff on there, because this stuff didn't clean my hands off. It's thinking it dirtier. So that's driveway cleaner material right now. But for now, we're using it for Harley parts. Okay, so we're gonna blow this all off real good. Maybe he'll get some fresh stuff out and clean it, but that's only if it's worth it. I don't know if the bike's worth that though. So, we'll be back after it's all clean. Remember, if you do this at home, don't tell them where you learned it from. And this is legal this year, but not next year. Cord right there, you hit the one in the back that says
Cut it.
record.
Recording.
Is the red light's on, Fred? Does that mean we're recording?
Yeah. What are we doing?
We are working on a Harley Davidson twin cam plate, 2004. What else was this? 88-inch road turd. Okay, we're looking for a Torx driver. Okay, so we only got one new bearing, ball bearing. I think it comes with the cams. Roller bearings don't really wear out very much. They're pretty good. Ball bearings tend to fail. But we will have to steal the parts off the old cam to race and stuff that we don't have.
Right.
We have limited tools to use, so we're going to have to make do with whatever we got laying around. Are these those safety ones that break when you look at them? No, good deal. Okay, I'm going to need the cam that has the race on it. So that'll be one of these right here. So this one here, I think is the race. That needs to be cleaned up so we can use it.
In my garage, really?
Damn. Snores and poops. Okay, so we're going to have to somehow get this race off of this cam.
All right.
And we don't have any tools. So you know what that means? We're going to make some tools.
Make some tools and make it happen.
Okay, this is a quarter drive wrench that he failed to give me a tool to use. Okay, let's see if this works. Oh, these came off easy.
Oh,
I was
nice.
shocked. Shocked! I've seen guys beat the damn bearing out and just leave the plate there. It tends to bend it a little bit when you do that. These are coming out pretty easy. I'm surprised they're that easy. So cams are pressed in to the bearings.
Yep.
And we have no press. So I'm not sure he was planning on doing this job himself with a proper tool. We'll have to ask the master when he gets back. He's back. He's gone.
You coming back or what? What are you doing?
He grabbed his drink. He's going to get another drink. He knows he's in trouble now.
Like, I'm tired. We've been riding. We spent the whole day riding. Then we come back. We start this project. And he's like, I didn't expect to do this much work.
You get tired of just riding around the bug. It ain't that hard to do.
All right, Mr. Tatro, who's not ridden a bike in forever.
And I'm not tired. I ride bikes really fast. Short distances. Okay, that's out of the way. The cam plate's dirty again. Okay, how we can get that out with the proper tools not here?
Well, I think we'd knock it out from the back side, right?
With a punch and something that's about the right size.
Yeah, it looks right.
Resembles that.
Big hammer. BFH. Big frickin' hammer.
something solid to hit against, like 2x4 and a piece of wood.
Got it.
Try not to use hammers to screw up stuff.
Oh, that was too easy.
I found a press. That was the easy part. The hard part's gonna be the camshaft. Okay. Where's this go?
That big hole right there.
Solid area.
No, really?
Do not hit on the inside of the bearing race.
Got it.
Don't want to damage it.
I didn't damage it, did I?
Don't damage it.
Okay, we got that changed out now.
Put your screws back in.
Yep. Screwed on this job. Okay, you got any kind of a bearing puller, clamshell device, a piece of metal with a groove in it, C-groove. Big pair of dice. What else do we use, Fred? We got to get behind this lip and not damage that lip because we got to reuse that piece. We'll pull that off. And do you have any kind of a torch?
C-clamp. Heat it up.
Heat will help expand it. Might come off a
Oh, it
little
might
bit.
be too big, but you got these.
Ooh, we're in
Oh, look at that. Oh
we're
my
in
goodness.
business. All right,
Is that gonna get the job done?
that's a good start.
Oh, we don't know. Yeah. You got virgin pullers. Got virgin pullers. Never been used before.
Well, it's a good thing because we have to get more abusive to get that part if we don't have cutter tools. If we don't have a heat, we have to go barbecue our steak and stuff the cam in the barbecue to warm it up. You take some screwdrivers and go in here and get a crust on them and work them off.
Well, supposedly that's gonna work.
We'll find out. It's a lot easier than barbecue.
We throw the whole thing in with some mushroom or yeah.
What's the torque on these, Fred?
Let's see, one more Tatro. And one more click, 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 click.
Go until it doesn't move,
Tatro.
and you go a little extra. It still rotates. Still rotates.
That's the Tatro torque.
Okay, we want to see if the check valve's working here. So where's that flashlight we don't see with? Should have brought it in my bag. Okay, what happened to that punch that we had that he brought me? Right here. Actually, the plunger works this way, so that doesn't work. Yeah. Snap ring pliers. Just out of my way. Dinky ones. Are these dinky? Maybe. Wrong direction. 90s will work too, I don't care. Those are really small ones. These are nice pliers. How come they didn't send me a set of these instead? I don't know. Somewhere there's a place to do this. You have an extra snapper in case we damage it, don't you? Silence tells you the truth.
Yes, it does, doesn't
These-
No, we don't.
See how they got this fat piece right here?
Yeah.
That precludes you from doing a lot of stuff. So they don't go in there. Plus, I think these are too big. How about these ones?
Yeah, they're pretty small.
No, same problem. And they go the wrong direction anyway.
We got the cheapy ones too. This doesn't get it done.
Where they at? Because I already know we're going to need them. These high-end tools don't work always. I'd ask for a grinder, but I don't think he has one. That's like taking a $50 tool and grinding the piss out of it. If that doesn't work, we're going to use a safety pin, a screwdriver. What else can we use, Fred? What the hell are these things? Oh, these are really...
That's,
I'm pretty sure those are not going to fit on anything I own.
This,
You got something about a quarter the size of this? All right, Fred, what are we going to do now?
I don't know.
not over yet, relax.
I'm having so much excitement here, I don't know if I can stand it.
We need a smaller hole, smaller
All right, I'm gonna cut this off. We'll figure out what we're gonna do.
smaller thingy jiggy.
Yep. All right, I'll be back.
Yeah.